Alright guys, welcome to this episode of the Trading Edge. This is a video that we release every day. Myself and Akil take turns throughout the week to show you, talk through our analysis, look at what's on the radar for the next day or the next coming days or over the week, bearing in mind any high impact news releases, and really give you an insight into the thought process that goes behind our trades every day. And before we get stuck in, I'm going to show you some sort of more longer term or bird's eye analysis, if you like, from my swing trading perspective on the euro dollar. But before we get stuck into that, anyone who was in the Q&A session, I think you'll agree it was a great session today. We went over trade plan development, took one of our clients' trade plans and really dissected it so he could enhance that, and we sort of threw it out to the group. It was very interactive. And then we started talking about how you can attract investors as you become profitable, because lots of our clients become profitable and they want to go out and they want to attract investors to manage money, and we were talking about ways you can do that as well, how you can set yourself up to be attractive to investors, how you should structure a contract, the terms and the conditions that I recommend that you should have in a contract like that, and how you should negotiate the performance fees and all the rest of it. So really good session. If you are interested in that sort of thing and that you're looking to manage money, I highly recommend you go and watch that video. It's inside the platform on the recordings, the Q&A sessions, so go and check that out. And if you are a member and you've just become a member of the Tier 1 platform, the Q&A sessions are every single Monday and we archive every single one. And just if you just watch the Q&A sessions, you're going to have a phenomenal trading education without all of the courses that you get free as part of your membership. So go and watch it all. Set aside an hour, like an accountability hour of the day, and just go and watch all that stuff. I thought I'd share with you what I'm looking at on the euro dollar today based on the higher time frame analysis, and it's going to be a bit different to what you guys normally see me do because I'm going to look more of a bird's eye view. We're looking at the euro dollar here in front of you, and we're on the daily time frame, okay? And I've zoomed right out. This is Trading View, by the way. I've zoomed right out to 1993, right? You can see 1993. We're right here. And I want to explain, although structure is subjective, everyone's got a different idea of support and resistance, which is, it's our job as a trader to identify certain moves in the market that happen frequently and levels that are respected so we can capitalize on certain moves. But although structure is subjective, contrary to popular beliefs, the patterns that form in the market are not random. Okay, we find that they happen over and over and over again. Certain levels are respected over and over and over again, and it's all driven by psychology. So in the chart in front of you is the euro dollar. And we're looking back in 1993 now, and you can see just as we push up, we respect this level right here, up at 2020s, okay? And this is 1993. And as the years go by, okay, you're going to see that each time this level is tested, it's respected more often than it's not. So you can see we had another test here, one, okay? We then, resistance became support as we bounced off of that level. You can see we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there was some resistance here, 6, 7. Okay, look, we had some resistance in here as well. So this level is respected time and time again. And as we continue out through the years, look, this is 2008. There we go, we come back down in 2010 and bounce straight off of that level. And then as the years go on, we test again and we bounce off of that level again. And we continue until we break through that level. Okay, we push up. So what was support then becomes resistance. Look at that, we hold that level, we bounce off of that level, and then we continue up, and then we are at this level again. Now, what I really want to drill down and show you is we're using that higher time frame to form a bias, okay? Now, one of the things you can see on my screen here is something called a moving average. And typically, when we are trending, okay, this white line here is the 50 moving average, you're going to see that we stay above that moving average on the way up, okay? So if we're in a bullish trend. And on the way down, you can see we're below the moving average, all right? So as we go back to today's date, if I just scroll, sorry for scrolling, it's probably making you feel a bit nauseous, but as we get to today's date, what we've been paying attention to lately is, this is the daily chart, right? So let me just bring on this trend line here. And what we was looking at is this move right here. And what we found was we had, since this previous higher low, okay, the initial higher low, we then tested this level once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then we tested it again before we broke and closed below. And what we've done is we've started to push down below this moving average. We've crossed the moving average and we've broken this channel. And not only have we broken this channel, we've also broken this major support level here that was the support of the consolidation for many, many months. All right, so now we've broken this consolidation level. What we're looking at is a pullback up into this zone here. This is our 2020 level. And as we approach this level, what we're looking for is some deceleration in the market. Okay, and if we get some deceleration in the market, so we've got this bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, what I'm going to be paying attention to is how market behaves in this zone. Okay, so as it approaches this 50 moving average, this 50 EMA, I'm going to be monitoring how the market reacts to this level. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be looking for a potential shorting opportunity based on a lower time frame. Now, I won't be dropping down to the 60 or the 15 or the 5. I'll be looking really for the 4-hour entry into a short position here. First of all, I'll be looking for a pullback. Okay, so we've got the pullback. Once we look for the pullback, we're looking for at least 3 touches of major structure, okay, which we've just zoomed out. We know that we had about 7 to 10 touches of that structure level back from 1993. Then I'll be looking for deceleration in form of the candlestick patterns. So whether we put in a high test candle, a doji, some tweezer tops, whatever, that type of candle formation. And then I'll be looking for the respect of the 50 EMA. So I'll be looking for market to have traded within this 50 EMA and this 20 EMA in this zone here. And I'll be looking for entries on the 4-hour to potentially short the market. So as we drop down to the 4-hour now, you can see that this is the zone that I was looking at just now, right? So this is the, you can see quite clearly that we've got our new low here, and then we've got our outside return, and we've got our new low, and then we've got our outside return, and then we've got our new low, and then we've pulled back up into this zone, which I'm looking at. I've got my eye on. So what I'll be looking for in this zone is for RSI to be going overbought, and then I'll be looking for my entry technique into this trade. So I just wanted to share with you my sort of top down there. All right, so if you're in the live room tomorrow, you'll come in and you'll follow this along. We'll see if we can get entered into this short. And if you're not in the live room, if you're not even a member of Tier 1, because this video is obviously out to you guys on YouTube as well, like, come in. Like, the link below will give you access to the entire membership platform, an amazing community of like-minded individuals, traders, professional coders, and literally hundreds of mastermind entrepreneurs as well. So, you know, the community alone is worth a fortune, but on top of that, you've obviously got access to all of the tools, the business tools, the courses, the 5 courses, and absolutely everything free as part of the membership. So well worth going in there. Even if you find that you just want to go in for a month and then come out and it's not really for you, or you just want to stay in there for as long as it takes you to become profitable, because believe me, it's the best place to be if you're looking to become profitable. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the live room tomorrow, and until then, take care, good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you then.